QR codes give a digital dimension to your products and services as they bring offline engagements into online conversions. Not having a QR code is a big loss of opportunity for innovative marketers.
How can you provide customers a better way to order food at a restaurant? How to keep in touch with your customers even after their order? First, open your browser and visit the Uber Eats homepage. Find and choose the country where your restaurant is located. Find your restaurant and open it. Then simply copy the URL. Now head over to your favorite QR code generator and get started. Go to QR Tiger's website. Click the social media icon. Upload your logo. Select your background colors. You can select single color, color gradient, and you can even upload your own background image. Then put some header text and description text for more details. Scroll down, choose and select the Uber Eats icon. Move the Uber Eats platform at the top by clicking this up arrows. Fill in your Uber Eats URL, and don't forget to add your other social media accounts. Generate and customize your QR code. Choose pattern. Choose eyes. Add a logo. Set colors. Add your frame. Test your generated QR code. Once done, download your QR codes. Be smarter on your marketing by adding a social media QR code on your packaging, products, and offline channels. Grow your followers and get more orders with the Uber Eats social media QR code today.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time to learn more how to apply QR codes successfully.